नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। Myself JVN Dr. Hemant Vyas, Associate Professor and Head of Department of Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about an important topic which can be asked or which is asked many times for short note before these exams. So let's begin the new topic from diseases of blood vessels, and the name of topic is hemangioma. So let's see what is the meaning of hemangioma. Hemangioma is a benign tumor which is also known as strawberry mark. As a birthmark, hemangioma is considered and it appears as a bright red patch or nodule on the skin. It can occur anywhere in the body, especially face, chest, scalp or back. It mainly grows during the first year of life and starts receding with the age of the person. Age and sex prevalence of the hemangioma. It can be diagnosed by early childhood. Females are more likely to develop hemangioma as compared to men. On the right side we can see a diagram of hemangioma in which there is multiplication of blood vessels, a malformation of arteries or capillaries is formed to make a elevation which is called as hemangioma. Causes: a hemangioma occur when small blood vessels begin to multiply abnormally and forms a mass or a lump. Usually hemangioma are present at birth. Blood vessels in the skin, intestine, spinal cord, brain or inside other organs sometimes dilate or multiply abnormally to form a small red bump. Now let's see what are the types of hemangioma. So basically there are 4 types of hemangioma. So first is capillary hemangioma. It may affect the top layer of the skin. Then next is cavernous hemangioma. It occurs in deeper to the skin. Other is mixed type of both, that is capillary and cavernous hemangioma, and it is called as compound hemangioma. And last type is pyogenic granuloma lobular capillary hemangioma. This type occurs or appears during pregnancy, and this is very dangerous and it can cause life-threatening complications in the or during the time of labor. Symptoms: generally hemangiomas are painless. The color is red to blue. The lesions are generally bluish red in color. The lesions occur on the skin, lips or inside the mouth. Lesions soft to touch. The skin is flushed and slightly elevated. Superficial lesions may bleed or turn into sores. Hemangioma may be painful and swollen if involved muscularly. Hemangioma in bone sometimes causes pain or enlargement of the bone. Now let's see what are the surgical options or treatments according to surgery. In some cases hemangioma can be removed with surgery. Certain hemangiomas can also be treated with laser also. Hemangioma can take time to go away on their own, but it takes time, whereas in some cases they never disappear completely. Hemangioma can burst and may lead to serious hemorrhage. Example is liver hemangioma during pregnancy has the potential to burst, especially during labor, which result into hemorrhagic shock. Hemangioma are not contagious, means they do not spread from one person to other or one part to other. Investigations: we need to go for complete case history, physical examination, clinical examination, blood test, X-ray, CT or MRI scan, to know the extent of the hemangioma. Angiogram and biopsy may be needed to differentiate it from other tumors. Then treatment: anti-inflammatory drugs, laser treatment, and in some cases steroid injections can be given. Beta blocker medicines are also prescribed to avoid the recurrent hemorrhage from the hemangioma. Then complications: the most important complication of hemangioma is hemorrhage or bleeding. Then the problems with breathing and eating may occur. Psychological problems patient may suffer. Secondary infections, visible changes in the skin, and vision problem are the common complications of hemangioma. Then let's see what are the homeopathic medicines for hemangioma. Basically, homeopathy treats the patient as a whole, and it do not only consider the pathological change. It consider pathological change along with the signs and symptoms of the patient and the patient's adaptation to that condition. So on the basis of the complete constitution of the patient and the complete disease picture, we prescribe the medicine to the patient. But there are certain medicines which has the prevalence of the conditions like hemangioma, or in which there is power to produce hemangioma, and these medicines are acetic acid, arnica montana, carcinosin, fluoric acid, and thuja occidentalis. So these medicines are therapeutically indicated in cases of hemangioma. That's it from the today's session. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with this digital session. If you have any queries, please mention in comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you very much.